Hey everyone, Gil at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about windshield washer fluid antifreeze. Antifreeze doesn't go in the windshield washer fluid. Well, they make a windshield washer fluid that doesn't freeze. It's called, it says windshield washer fluid antifreeze or antifreeze windshield washer fluid but yeah, it's basically so if you're in an area where you get freezing, you don't want to have your windshield washer fluid container freeze up and split because sometimes it's a pain to get those out and replace them. Also, you don't want it freezing up in the motor and breaking the motor or in any of the tubes, splitting any of the tubes going up to the wipers. Now, if you're on the mind of, well, I'm not just going to replace what I have in there, just you dump it, pump it out and dump it out. Well, no, you can get yourself a container and you can disconnect one of the tubes going from the fender up to the hood. If you have the wiper fluid squirters that are in the hood, whatever, there's ways you can just disconnect it, put it in another jug and just pump it dry. Well, not almost dry. You want to leave a little fluid and you don't want to run the pump dry. And then you add your antifreeze solution to it. It's, if you look at the thumbnail for this video, or just back here in the beginning when it was announcing what the topic was, they had a picture of several different types of the antifreeze windshield washer fluid. I've used both Rain-X and the Prestone. They're both real good. Never had any problem freezing up here in Idaho. So, and then if you're farther up north, they have stuff that even goes down to minus 45 degrees. So whatever you need, that's what you put in there. I usually just run the antifreeze year round. That way, when it gets down a little low, I just add more to it. I don't have to worry about pumping it out, cleaning it out or anything. I just run that stuff because it's basically a stuff called all season. So you can run the all season stuff. It's down to minus 15 degrees and it's good. All right. So that's just a short one. Go out and check your car windshield washer fluid. See if you need to replace it. If it's almost empty, just go ahead and add the new stuff to it and add less water. That way it mixes up and it comes out about right. All righty. With that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish or crazy. And most importantly, keep adding to your preps, both food, water, and then all the other supplies you need, including windshield washer and antifreeze. All right. And you want to do this because you don't want to end up like this.